right? That's not too big. And it's supposed to be very simple to load. Look, I'm not even reading the instructions. I'm just tearing into it. That's
now I feel really dumb.
Welcome back. I'm Terra, and this is Reimagine 50 Plus, where I take a look at what we're doing with our life as far as making decisions based on being over 50. And I'm well past 50 now. I turned 60 last summer. I do that by including you on different adventures and trips that I take. I like to review different products and see if it's something that fits where I and perhaps you are now at this stage of our life. So with that in mind, I am going to review something I purchased in November, but I have been waiting to review it. I wanted to use it a bit. So if you are interested in hearing all about the Soda Stream and making a decision on whether it's right for your family, then stay tuned because I'm going to get into it right now.
So I wanted to show you the Soda Stream and where I wound up putting it. So I'm over here in my bar area. I usually use this space if we're entertaining or if we have people over. It just makes it easy to get to everything. I have my coffee cart right there. So this is sort of the beverage area of the kitchen. And I love the fact that this Soda Stream does not have to be plugged in. I don't have any outlets on the bar area. I have some over there, but it's nice to not have a lot of extension cords or anything like that I have to deal with. So one of the positives. The other thing I liked about this particular unit is much smaller, and it really is for one person or maybe a couple of people in the family that drink the seltzer, not the whole family, and they make the medium and the larger size for bigger containers. So this one is really streamlined, and I like that a lot. By the way, I am not sponsored by them in any way, but if you stick around to the end, I do have a code that I found for you that will give you a discount if you choose to buy a Soda Stream. And you may decide that you don't want the smaller one, but anyway, I am not sponsored by them. I'm not getting anything back from them, but I found a little discount for you. So let me show you how to insert the cartridge into the machine. And it does have instructions on the back side. It tells you to insert the cylinder here, bottom first. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to place it in position and then lock it in position. And that's pretty much all you have to do.
Okay. All right. What am I doing wrong? Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, there is a little tiny picture right here. A little tiny picture. Can you see that? Okay, I have a stainless steel counter. That sounds really loud. Okay, yeah. All right.
So let me show you how to put the back on. There's a little notch down at the bottom, which you just line this up, slide that in, and it locks into place. So you'll hear that click, you know that it's locked in. Now, what I did is I took filtered water and I put it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Say that it sparkles better whenever it's cold. So I did that. On the bottle, there is a line that shows you that's the fill line. Remember, once you start adding the fizzy, it's got to have somewhere to go. So make sure you don't overfill it when you're ready to make your bubble water. All right, so we're going to take the lid off. And when you look at the machine, you're going to see that there's a little, I don't know, tongue or a little flipper that sticks out a little bit. So you want to make sure that's sticking out. And then you're going to line up your bottle, kind of tuck it in. I don't want to say shove it in there hard, but tuck it in and then push down. And that little lever will go back in and then you'll see it's secure. Now, they recommend anywhere between 3 and 5 pumps. So I'm going to do 3 and show you what the fizz factor is with 3. So, and they say about 1 second each. So we've got 1, 2, 3. And then that's all you do is you just pull it towards you to remove the bottle. I'm just going to use one of these clear glasses so that you can see a little bit better the fizzy factor. And for my taste, I kind of like that. I don't like it when it's too fizzy. Sometimes you get like LaCroix, they tend to have a lot of bubbles in them. So, you know, it has a nice mouthfeel. It's bubbly enough to make you feel like you're drinking a soda, but it's not so much that you feel like you're, you know, getting a lot of gas in your system. Now, if you want, you can flavor this. And that's one of the things I like about the SodaStream is that I can flavor it however I want. For me to flavor this now, I can either put lemon in it or I can add these flavors. And these flavors do not have any sugar. They're made by the bubbly. You know, Michael Bublé advertises those bubbly drinks. Blackberry bubbly and pineapple bubbly. And I felt like these were 2 flavors that I probably would not make on my own. And they also would make nice mixer flavors. So if I'm making a cocktail, I can use a flavored seltzer. And you can either just put a couple of drops in your glass, or if you know this is a flavor that you enjoy and you're like me, you're going to drink the whole bottle anyway, then you can put a few drops, I guess according to your taste, into the bottle itself, and then it will flavor the whole bottle. These go pretty far. They're not expensive, and I actually found these on sale. So you can order these, and there is another set of flavors made by SodaStream, and I believe there's a bunch of cola. I'm not a cola drinker, but if you really enjoy colas, you could get the cola flavored ones too. That is how you get your own homemade flavored seltzer waters for pennies, and it really is nice. And by the way, if you like it really bubbly, then you can go up to 5 times, and I think that's why they want you to allow that space to accommodate the gases, but up to 5 times, that's a lot of bubbles. That's a lot of bubbles. So like I said, I have a couple of codes for you, and I will post them here at the bottom. If you are going to buy one of these machines and you would like to get 20% off, you want to put get 20, and that will get you 20%. Sparkling 10, and that's for $10 off. Now, the last I checked, those 2 codes were working. Again, I don't get anything from this. I just found the codes and thought I would share them with you. So they were working as of January whenever I filmed this. So hopefully they're still working. I hope this has been an enlightening and informative and fun video for you to watch. I look at things a little differently, thinking, oh, I would have never bought that in the past. But as I said, when this new Terra, the smaller one, came out, I was really intrigued, and I had been thinking about it for a while anyway. So if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you join me every Thursday and see what's going on, whether we're going on a little trip or whether I'm evaluating or reviewing something new. So join me, and I will see you next Thursday. Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, now repeat. 2, woohoo, and 3. I'll do 3. Pull the bottle towards you. Ta-da. Oh, okay. And then I'm going to put that on so I don't lose the fizziness. Oh, I see. This little goober kicks out when you're finished.